How to unsuspend TikTok account. So if you want to unsuspend a TikTok account, like for example, if you have a TikTok account and if your account is suspended, and if you want to unsuspend that account, then you can go with your TikTok application at first. After opening your TikTok, now you just need to simply go with the account, any other account like your friends, your family members' account, any other account which is not suspended. After going to that account, you need to go with the profile which is on the bottom right. And under your profile, you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you can scroll down and tap on report a problem. Under support, you will have report a problem. You can tap on report a problem and it might take a few seconds to load. After that, you need to scroll all the way down and you will have report option or chat with us option. You can go with chat with us or report a problem section, which will take you to the report section or chat with us section. Now here, you need to enter the information like I want to unsuspend my friend's account, which is yours, and you need to also add some screenshots or some images of your account that is suspended, and just write that you want to unsuspend that account. I have unfortunately got suspended on TikTok, so please help me with that. And after sending it to the support or the help desk within a few hours or within a few days, you'll be able to unsuspend your TikTok account. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.